Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek versus Platinum. Begin by comparing exterior trim, wheel options, and off-road features. I'll walk through engines, towing capacity, interior materials, infotainment, and safety tech so you can choose confidently. Expect clear differences in suspension tuning, seating configurations, and standard equipment between trims. I'll also summarize value, fuel economy, and who each trim suits best in everyday and adventurous driving. I'll explain powertrain differences and on-road behavior for Rock Creek and Platinum. Rock Creek leans toward rugged tuning and available all-wheel drive, while Platinum focuses on refinement and comfort. Compare V6 responsiveness, tow ratings, and brake feel to match your needs. We'll highlight ride height, suspension, and fuel economy numbers, and discuss real-world towing tips and payload considerations so you can pick the trim that fits your driving lifestyle and hauling plans. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make packing snacks and trail lunches easy and spill-free, ideal for weekend trips. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and save cleanup time when you're loading gear or groceries. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I'll walk through interior differences, seating, and cargo versatility between Rock Creek and Platinum. Rock Creek gives rugged accents and easy clean materials, while Platinum gives leather surfaces, ambient lighting, and upgraded sound. We'll compare infotainment screens, wireless features, driver assists, and seat adjustability to find which matches daily comfort and family needs. I'll show cargo configurations, third-row usability, and storage solutions so you can visualize real-life usability before deciding.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.